In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Expensify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently invite new team members to your workspace and get them set up for expense reporting. Make sure you're already logged into your Expensify account in your browser before we begin. First, from the main Expensify interface, look for the option labeled Workspaces. This is usually found in the left-hand navigation or in your settings area, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Workspaces. Think of Workspaces as the central hub for your company or team's expense policies, approvals, and members. Everything related to that specific group is managed from here. Once you're on the Workspaces page, you'll see a list of the workspaces you have access to. Click on the name of the workspace where you want to add new users. It's important to choose the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one, since the people you invite will only gain access to the workspace you select. After you open the workspace, you'll land on its overview page. At the top or along the side, you should see a tab or section called Members. Click on Members. This section shows everyone who currently belongs to this workspace, along with their roles and permissions. It's a good place to quickly confirm who already has access before you invite anyone new. Next, look for a button or link that says Invite Members. It's typically located near the top right of the Members page. Click on Invite Members to open the invitation form. This is where you'll specify who you want to add. Now, type in the details for the people you're inviting. Usually, this will be their email addresses, and in some cases, you might be able to add names or assign roles at the same time. Take a moment to double check each email address so that the invitations go to the right people and don't bounce. If there are options to set their role, such as employee, manager, or admin, choose the one that best matches what they